Hello, I'm Damisi. I lead commercial alliances at Flutterwave. Just before this, however, I used to be a global head for customer experience. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Flutterwave payment protection promise. There's a well-documented phenomenon of businesses who prey on trusting customers by either misrepresenting their abilities and their products or flat out violating their own refund policies by refusing refunds to qualified customers. That's why we're so happy and proud to announce the Flutterwave Payments Protection Promise. It's our promise to you, the payer, that if you shop or pay anyone who is using Flutterwave to process their payments, not only is your money secure and your transaction safe, but if you ever have any questions or complaints about the transaction, for the most part, you will get your money back. So let's dive right into it. How does it work? The general gist is that if you've made a payment through Flutterwave to a merchant and you have not received the expected value in the time stipulated by the merchant, your payment is covered and protected under a payment protection promise. Some key things to note with regards to claim timeframes. You can make a claim on a transaction within 60 days from the transaction date. You, however, have to wait 1 day after the expected delivery date to submit a claim. If your claim is for the delivery of an instant value item like airtime, for example, you have to wait 12 hours. Sometimes issues happen and we have to give our merchants time to fix up. This is not a penalizing structure. We have to stress that. If you've received an item and it is damaged, defective, or just generally different from what you expect, you should ideally have returned the item first before you can make a claim. Generally, most merchants will give you a refund after you return an item. So here's how to log a claim. There are two main ways to log a claim. You can either do it 100% on your own through our disputes page, or when you contact our customer experience team, just let us know and we'll log a claim for you. Our promise stands regardless of how you choose to log your claim. We just want to say though that if you are in a hurry or you believe you have everything you need to log your claim on your own, go ahead and try the self-service method first. It is faster and pretty straightforward. So you go onto the disputes page, provide your details, the transaction date, merchant name, etc. And once you find the transaction in question, just hit the file a claim button and work your way through the process. Now, of course, you've already been left in the lurch once, so we will keep you 100% involved in the process throughout the resolution of your claim. So what happens after you log a claim? After you log a claim, we immediately notify you and notify the merchant that there's been a question about a certain transaction of theirs. They have a couple of hours to respond, and if they've been found to be in violation of the terms that they agreed to, you will get a refund. And we'll notify you of their decision and your refund status. Now, we've written a policy that goes into much more detail about how the system will work and also a blog post about this. But if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Now, this is again by no means the full extent of the policy. So we really think that you should read all that we've written about how this policy will work now and any further revisions in the future. What we want you to hold on to beyond everything that has been said so far is that whenever you want to pay online and you see the Flutterwave logo, choose Flutterwave, because you can be absolutely sure that we will protect you and feel confident when you shop online. We've got you.